Today, we will tour 22051 North 30th Drive in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Looking for a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a loft in North Phoenix? This spacious residence is ideally located north of the 101 and west of the 17, placing you close to everything while still enjoying a quiet neighborhood feel. Inside, you'll find soaring 9-foot ceilings and a fantastic floor plan that maximizes every inch of space. The open family room and dining area create a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. A sliding glass door leads to the backyard, where a large paver patio provides the perfect setting for outdoor dining, entertaining, or relaxing on Arizona evenings. This home has been updated with easy-to-maintain flooring throughout. On the first level, enjoy new luxury vinyl plank and tile. The property also includes a 2-car garage along with extra storage. Let's take a tour upstairs. You will find a spacious upstairs laundry room with a washer and dryer for added convenience. All 3 bedrooms are located on the second level. Both secondary bedrooms feature warm wood laminate, as well as plenty of natural light. Beyond the home itself, you'll love the location. With quick access to both the 101 and I-17 freeways, commuting is simple, and you're just minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment at Norterra, Desert Bridge, and Arrowhead. Whether it's dining out, catching a movie, or exploring nearby hiking trails, this home connects you to it all. In addition, the versatile loft offers flexible space for work or play. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The primary suite features a large bedroom, brand new carpet, an oversized walk-in closet, and a private bathroom. Schedule your tour today